Hey guys, this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we will be making Dal Fry. This is a really easy recipe to make because you can make it in just one pressure cooker. We add ghee or clarified butter and many spices to elevate the dal's flavor. So without further ado, let's get cooking. To make this recipe, we will need 2/3 cup of tur dal or pigeon pea lentils. This is what the dal looks like. So I rinsed the dal well and then soaked it in water for around 15 to 30 minutes. Then we will need 1 medium onion that is finely chopped, 1 medium tomato that is finely chopped, 1 inch of ginger that is grated, 2 green chilies that are finely chopped. You can adjust these as per your taste. 2 cloves of garlic that are finely chopped. Some salt as per your taste. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder or dhania powder. 2 pinches of asafoetida or hing, 2 dried red chilies, 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. At the end, we will also need 1 tablespoon for the garnish, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of lemon or lime juice, this is optional, and some cilantro for garnish. The first thing we will do is take a pressure cooker and turn it on to a medium heat. Then we will add in the ghee or clarified butter and let this get heated. Once the ghee is heated, we will add in the cumin seeds or jeera, the hing or asafoetida, and the dry red chilies. We will mix these together and let them fry for around a minute or so. We will add in the garlic and the onion. And then we will give this a mix and cook this until it is golden brown. Then we will add in the turmeric powder or haldi. Give this a mix and then let it cook for a minute. After that, we will add in the ginger. Mix it well and cook it for another minute. Then you will add in the green chilies, the tomatoes, some salt, the red chili powder, and the dhania powder or coriander powder. You will give this a good mix and cook this for around 4 minutes. Make sure that you stir occasionally because you do not want the tomatoes or onions to stick to the bottom. If you feel that the mixture is sticking to the bottom a bit, you can add around 1 tablespoon of water and mix this together. Once the tomatoes are cooked, you will drain the water from the dal and add it in. And then you will give this a good mix. And then you will add around 1 to 1.5 cups of water. stir this. And then put on the lid of the pressure cooker. And then you will cook this until there are 2 whistles. Then you will turn off the heat and let the pressure release on its own. Once all of the pressure is released, you will open the lid and add in the lemon juice and the garam masala. You will give this a mix, and then you will give the dal a taste to see if you need to add any spices. Then, as garnish, you can put some melted ghee and some cilantro. You can eat this with some rice, naan, roti, or whatever you would like. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. See you in the next video!